Hello, this vehicle here is a Pössl Summit Shine 540. It's 541 centimeters long. It's on the Peugeot Boxer and it got an award as being the campervan of the year from EuraMobil. And what I like about this is that it is pretty small on a, well, the footprint's pretty small, but it's got everything inside. So we've got a fixed bed, it's contoured around the washroom, we've got storage all the way around with a nice lighting system, very nice indirect lighting system around the top. The bed itself, it's what, about 188, something like that inside. Width varies. In here we've got an enormous washroom for a vehicle of this size, and it's got excellent lighting inside. That certainly gets my seal of approval. We've got a step up to the bed, which it's partially covered by the bed. I can't have everything, I suppose. There's a Dometic cooker and sink. Sink isn't particularly large. What you can expect, only 541 centimeters long, 2 burners, reasonably well spaced apart. Under here we will find drawers. There's a kitchen extension here. And around here we've got a 2-way fridge. There you go, from Dometic. Isn't that good? Why is there only one seat here? That is a pretty good idea. In fact, when I eventually do my van conversion, I'm only going to put one seat there. Why put any more? This seat in general is used so that people sitting at the table can sit across each other and see each other when they are eating. I'm not so keen on getting rid of the forward-facing seat for this reason. You can see of course, that in this case it's got 2 buckles on it, and so there is the possibility of adding another seat there, or so I believe. Here there's the table, and okay, it's not particularly large, but again it's 541 centimeters in length. There's a bit, chairs are up here. This is a raised area because of the front of the vehicle and the way the rest of the habitation area is built on. The washroom has a sensible sliding door, and what's not so sensible is this. What's the point of that? I mean, it looks nice, but you can't really do anything with it, in my opinion. So up here you've got your heating and your other controls, so you can make it hotter or colder or whatever. You also got a bit of storage up there, and it's got a net, which is probably better than putting in a cover. The point also, I think, net allows you to put more stuff up there. That would be all right for keeping bedding, for example. Let's have a look around the outside. Here under this, stacks of space under there, and of course, as always, this will lift up. You'll get that with every camper van. These things lift up and you can get space. You could even possibly put your bike in there. If you remove that thing there and the other step down there, you could put a bicycle in here. I don't know how you actually sleep in there, but that would work. Here you've got space for 2 full-sized gas canisters, so that'll keep it warm for ages, unless it's really cold, in which case it'll keep it warm for a few days. Alright, so I think that vehicle is particularly nice. And there's me demonstrating how to open well, it wasn't easy, the cupboards. Right, good. How much that cost? It cost less than 59,000 in that condition. So I do appreciate that that's a lot more than it cost a few years ago, but on the other hand, it's not so bad. Hey, let's have a little bit of a walk around this Pössl stand whilst we're here. This one's got 5 seating places. There's 3 people in there and it already looks crowded, so we'll give that one a miss. Here we have, well, there's another 540. Have a look inside this one. 540, and this comes at a cost of same, so that's 59,000, less than 59,000. Other than the decor, it looks oh no, it's not the same, is it? Look, we've got this has got a central shower. Now there's the bed at the back. The advantage of having a central shower like this is that, first of all, it looks pretty daft, and so that might be a good starting point for any conversations. But it does save, as daft as it may look, it does save a lot of space. I prefer a fixed sink to one of these, which you've got to pull in and out. I bet you're wondering how this works. Okay, let's see if I get it to go around. There you go. There's me stuck in here. Turn the thing around, you can see. Right, so I'm in the shower, and this is what it's like. I suppose some people could get claustrophobic in something like this. Don't know. Anyway, I'll open it up again if I can. Can't open it up now, can you believe it? These 2 things are stuck together. There you go. Open this up. I should have shown that. Sorry, there you go. These 2 things are stuck together. Anyway, what would you prefer? One of these in the middle, which looks a bit daft, but does save space. And I think it's going to lead to a bigger bed. 541 centimeters in length. Great floor footprint. That'll save. It'd be easier to find somewhere to park. 2WinR. The 2Win range originally didn't have a forward-facing bench. Now it does have a forward-facing bench. Let's have a walk in here once more. Got the toilet, shower in the middle, and this one though seems to be a bigger shower. That's handy. You've got the fridge right next to where the shower is, so you don't have to even get out the shower to start drinking. So what's the cost of this? I'll say this thing here is going to cost 60,000. It's all a very similar price on everything. Yeah, I like these ones. So this 2Win Vario is coming off the point of it because I want to show smaller things. But this 2Win Vario is there you are, 71,500 euros. 6 meter long vehicle, comes on the Citroen, the Peugeot, or the Fiat, depending on what's available. Don't be fussy if you're going to buy it new, because the fussier you are, the longer you're going to have to wait. What's clever about this is that really high roof. It means that you can get 2 people sleeping in the back. You've got that space up there for storage. We've got all of that, and you've got an extra bed up there, which will come down by pulling that thing down here. But I'm not going to do it because lots of people are around, and I can understand the point of view of the sales staff. The 2 drainage holes are quite close together. At least there's 2, so I'm not going to complain about how close they are together, as daft as it may look. And you've even got some storage above the shower up there, so you can keep your pet squirrel there. And yeah, I like this type of thing. They do burn a lot more fuel, I must say that up front, but I think there's a very good thing in German. There's a Reisemobil, which means a travel vehicle, and there's a Wohnmobil, which is a living vehicle. English doesn't have that fine difference between the two. Okay, we'll have a look at this 6 meter long vehicle here. It costs us 68,000. tent in the roof, so it's 6 meters. There's more space in the back. The bed is bigger, so if you're a bit wider, you might want a bed like this, and that's what the shower looks like. And good, so I've taken you around one or two of these Pössl vans here, and so I'm a big fan of keeping things as small as possible. I believe that a small footprint, you can always park it. I do appreciate that many people are a bit concerned about driving longer vehicles, so this is the solution, is to use something small. Anyway, this was the one here I started off with, this Reisemobil das Jahres 2023 from Mobil at under 60,000 euros. And so thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that interesting. I upload every day at 21:15 Central European time, that's 20:15 in the United Kingdom, and 12:15 in California. So all the best from me in Germany. Bye for now.